Lend and borrow are often confused in English, but actually they have opposite meanings. To lend something to someone means that you are giving it to them for a short period of time and then you are getting it back. To borrow something means to receive something for a short period of time and then return it afterwards. I am lending this book to Tomo. Tomo is borrowing the book from me. When we use lend, we say to lend something to someone. Lend plus the preposition to. When we use borrow, we say to borrow something from someone. Borrow plus the preposition from. I lend my badminton rackets to Tomo. Tomo is borrowing the rackets from me. Tomo lent money to me. I borrowed the money from Tomo. If you want to borrow something from someone, there are two main patterns that you need to follow. So one is asking I plus borrow plus noun. The other one is you plus lend me plus noun. Can I please borrow your pen? Or would you mind lending me your pen? Today, you've learned how to use lend and how to use borrow, as well as the differences between these two verbs. Good luck with your English studies. See you in the next lesson.